Ladies and gentlemen, this is Coach K with a nugget for today. A little different way to visualize your goals and dreams. So remember, if you haven't hit my subscribe button on my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the button below. This is a great technique I came across actually today, and I've been using it. And as I use it, I've been seeing it, and I can feel it. And it feels so real when I say it. And I want you to use this every day because, like I said, this is something I just came across. But the way to get your dreams to come to a reality, you have to see it first. You have to believe in it first. You have to put it here first. You have to already accomplish that dream already in here. So this is the technique right here. I was walking. I was just meditating, and I just began to say it. I see it, and I believe it. I kept repeating it. I see it, and I believe it. So as I began to say that over and over again, I see it and I believe it. So when I said I see it, I was seeing what I wanted. And then after I saw it, I said, I believe it. I kept saying it over and 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 over again, and it felt good, it felt real, it felt great. So now I know it's coming to me now. So try this technique out today. Remember, this will help you out. Try it. I'm telling you, it feels so real. I see it and I believe it. Over and over again. You can be in a quiet space, you can be walking, whatever, just say it over and over again, just see it in your mind. I see it. I believe it. I see it. I believe it. I see it. I believe it. Say it over and over again to whatever goal, dreams, whatever you want to accomplish today. Remember, this is Coach K signing off.